Empires rose here, revolutions ignited here, and ideas born here reshaped the entire world. This is Europe. Hundreds of millions of years ago, fragments of ancient land collided to form the foundations of Europe. Deep beneath the surface lie ancient cratons and folded mountain belts forged during colossal tectonic collisions. The name Europe may derive from the Greek words Eurus, meaning wide, and ops, meaning face. In mythology, the Phoenician princess Europa was carried across the sea by Zeus, giving her name to a continent. Greek historians were among the first to describe Europe as a distinct geographical region. Europe's diverse geography, from towering mountains to fertile plains, shaped its civilizations. The Alps formed when the African plate collided with Eurasia. These fertile plains became one of the world's most productive agricultural zones. The Mediterranean climate nurtured olives, grapes, and citrus for millennia. Beneath the Atlantic lies the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, where magma still shapes Europe's youngest landscapes. In ancient Greece, philosophy, democracy, and science flourished. Socrates transformed philosophy by questioning the foundations of knowledge. With unmatched strategy, Alexander expanded Greek influence across 3 continents. Soon another empire rose, Rome. The Roman Empire unified vast lands through law, roads, and military strength. Roman engineers developed concrete capable of enduring for millennia. But even the greatest empires must fall. The Crusades reshaped Europe's religious and political landscape. Mongol armies stormed across the continent in the 13th century. The Renaissance revived art, science, and curiosity. Leonardo's ideas bridged art and engineering. Leonardo da Vinci, one of the greatest persons of the world. European explorers mapped oceans and connected continents. In the late 18th century, a technological transformation began in England. Steam engines, mechanized factories, and industrial innovation reshaped economies and accelerated the modern age. In 1789, revolution erupted in France. The demand for liberty, equality, and fraternity would reshape governments across Europe and beyond. The revolutionary spirit spread throughout the continent, giving rise to modern republics and constitutional governments. Eastern Europe's fertile plains transformed Ukraine into one of the world's most productive agricultural regions.
Sunflowers dominate the agricultural landscapes of Eastern Europe, producing vast quantities of edible oil.
The Netherlands became globally renowned for its tulip cultivation and flower trade.
Across the hills of France, vineyards produce some of the world's most celebrated wines.
Europe's dairy industry produces renowned cheeses, butter, and milk products from alpine and temperate farms.
Coal deposits fueled Europe's industrial expansion and powered its factories for centuries. Today, Europe remains a major industrial and commercial powerhouse. These nations have played central roles in shaping the continent's political and cultural history. London stands as one of the world's great financial and cultural capitals.
Paris is celebrated worldwide for art, fashion, and architectural beauty.
Rome preserves the enduring legacy of one of history's greatest empires. Berlin represents resilience and modern European unity. Vienna became a center of classical music, philosophy, and culture. From Socrates to Rousseau, Europe nurtured profound philosophical traditions.
Europe's forests support rich ecosystems of diverse plant species.
The continent shelters iconic wildlife such as the European bison.
Millions travel here each year to explore its landscapes and heritage.
Switzerland, with its dramatic mountains and lakes, is often called the playground of Europe.
Mediterranean crops, Olea europaea, Citrus sinensis.
Europe today is home to hundreds of millions of people. European universities and laboratories continue to drive scientific discovery.
The neural mapping is complete, initiating the robotic sequence.
Copy that. The arm is responding perfectly.
The continent's cultures, languages, and traditions form a vibrant mosaic. From Arctic tundra to Mediterranean coastlines, Europe's landscapes are remarkably diverse. From space, the continent glows with the energy of modern civilization. For thousands of years, Europe has shaped human history. Its ideas, technologies, and institutions continue to influence the globe. A continent of mountains, empires, revolutions, and ideas, Europe remains one of humanity's most remarkable regions.
Discover more stories of our planet. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to RP Tiwari Neo.